Hello guys, I am Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a wave text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my worksheet over here, and to create the wave text effect, the first thing to do is to select your type tool and then type out the word that you want to use. So I'll be going with the word flair. Nice. Then I'll just press Ctrl T and resize my text. So with my text ready, what I'll do next is to duplicate this text 3 times. So I'll be having 4 flavored text layers. So I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate it to 1, drag it down. So something like this is okay. Then I'll select these 2 text layers and then press Command G or Ctrl J to duplicate it again and push it down like this. So once I'm done, I just have to select all these text layers and then press Command G or Ctrl G to group them. After grouping them, I just have to press Command A or Ctrl A and then center align them with horizontal and then vertical. So with this, with the alignment done, I just have to press Command T and then resize it again. So something like this is okay for me. Now what I'll do next is to convert my flavor text group into a smart object. I just have to right click and then select Convert to Smart Object. After converting it into a smart object, I have to press Command T or Ctrl T, then select the warp icon over here, and then in the warp options, let's change it from custom to wave, and we will have our wave text effect ready. So this is how to create the wave text effect in Adobe Photoshop. And with the way that we created this, the text, you can change the text if you want, but we did it in a non-destructive way. So to change the text, you just have to double click here, and let's open this group. Let's select the first text, which is this one. Let's change it to blessed. So let's see here. Let's change the second one also to blessed. Let's do that for the third one, and then let's do it for the last one. So blessed. And then we press Command S or Ctrl S to save. After saving, go back to the main, then you see that the effect is still active as we've been able to change the text. And then now let's go with the favorite text over here. Okay guys, so this is how to create the wave text effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you really enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment, and share with others. And also, in case you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so.